Most contractors assume a free trial means full access to everything. That is where most people get it wrong. Here's the truth no one tells you. Procore does not offer a simple unlimited free trial like a typical app. Instead, in 2026, access is usually structured through guided demos, limited sandbox environments, or sales-led trial setups depending on your company size. In this video, you'll understand what you actually get, what is restricted, and whether it is enough to test Procore properly before committing. Let's start with what Procore is designed for. Procore is a full construction management platform. A project manager like Alex can use it to manage RFIs, budgets, schedules, drawings, and communication across multiple job sites. It is built for large and complex construction workflows. Now here's where it gets interesting. Because Procore is enterprise-focused, they do not treat onboarding like a simple sign-up-and-try tool. Instead, they guide companies through a structured evaluation process. But here's the problem. Many contractors expect a fully open free trial, and when they do not see it, they assume they cannot test the platform properly. So what do you actually get during a Procore trial or demo experience? First, you typically get a guided product walkthrough. This is where a specialist shows you how key modules work in real construction scenarios. For example, Jake, a site manager, might see how RFEs are submitted and tracked in real time. Second, you may get access to a limited sandbox environment. This is a controlled version of the software where you can explore features without affecting real projects. However, not all features or modules are always available in this environment. Third, you get workflow-based testing. Instead of clicking around freely, Procore often focuses on showing how your specific construction process would look inside the system. Now here's what most people miss. The goal of the Procore trial is not just to explore features. It is to evaluate whether your entire construction workflow can be centralized into one system. So is it enough to make a decision? Yes, but only if you approach it correctly. If you treat the demo like a surface-level software test, you will miss its real value. If you treat it like a real job site simulation, you will understand exactly how it fits your operations. Now, here's the key insight. Procore's trial experience is designed for decision makers, not casual users. That means project managers, operations leads, and executives get the most accurate view of the platform. The biggest mistake contractors make is rushing through the demo without mapping it to their real projects. That leads to confusion and poor decisions. So what should you do instead? Go into the trial with a real project scenario. Think of a current job, like a commercial build or renovation, and see how Procore would handle it step by step. If it simplifies coordination, reduces communication gaps, and centralizes documentation, it is doing its job. So the real takeaway is simple. The Procore free trial experience is not about testing buttons. It is about testing your entire construction workflow inside a structured system. If this helped you understand how it actually works, like, comment, and subscribe for more construction software breakdowns like this.